So hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain that is UPSC mains Sindhi paper 2. Answer must be written in Sindhi, Arabic or Devangiri script. This paper will require the first hand reading of the text prescribed and will be designed to test the candidate's critical ability. Section A, reference to context and critical appreciation of the text included in the section. Poetry, that is Shajo Chund Sahir, ed. H.I. Sadrangani, published by Sahitya Academy, first 100 page. Sachal Jo Chund Kalam, ed. Kalyan B. Advani, published by Sahitya Academy, copies only. Samay A. Ja Chund Sloka, B.H. Nagrami, published by Sahitya Academy, first 100 pages. Shair Bewas by Kishinchand Bewas, Samundi Sipun, portion only. Okay. Roshan Chanvro Narayan Shyam, Virhanga Kanpoije Sindhi Shairji Chund, H.I. Sadrangani, published by Sahitya Academy. Drama Behatareen Sindhi Natak, one act play, edited by M. Kamal, published by Gujarati Sindhi Academy. Kako Kalomal, full length play by Madan Jumayani. In section B, Pakiara Valar Khan Vichraya, novel by Gobind Malai. Satinha, novel by Krishan Katwani. Chun Sindhi Kahaniyo, short stories, Vol 3, edited by Prem Prakash, published by Sahitya Academy. Bandhan, short stories, Sundari Uttam Chandani. Behatareen Sindhi Mazmoon essays, edited by Hero Thakur, published by Gujarat Sindhi Academy. And Sindhi Tanqeed Criticism, edited by Harish Vaswamani, published by Sahitya Academy. And Muminji Hayati Aja Sona Rupa Varka, autobiography by Popati Hiranandani. Dr. Choitram Gidwani, biography by Vishnu Sharma. So this is the syllabus of UPSC mains Sindhi paper 2, UPSC mains Sindhi paper 2 syllabus 2025. So okay friends, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye my dear friends.